Supply chain management plays a crucial role in the success and sustainability of any business. In today's dynamic and competitive business environment, organizations must adopt best practices to streamline their supply chain processes and enhance overall efficiency. This vlog explores the top 10 best practices for effective supply chain management, providing insights into how businesses can optimize their operations and gain a competitive edge. Accurate demand forecasting is the cornerstone of effective supply chain management. Businesses must leverage data analytics, historical trends, and market intelligence to predict demand accurately. A well-defined demand planning process helps in aligning production, inventory levels, and distribution strategies, reducing the risk of stockouts or overstock situations. Cultivating strong relationships with suppliers is essential for a resilient and responsive supply chain. Regular communication, collaboration, and transparency build trust between buyers and suppliers. By understanding each other's capabilities and challenges, businesses can create win-win partnerships, ensuring a steady and reliable flow of materials and minimizing disruptions. Maintaining optimal inventory levels is critical to balancing cost and service levels. Adopting advanced inventory management techniques, such as just-in-time (JIT), or vendor-managed inventory (VMI), enables organizations to minimize holding costs while ensuring products are readily available when needed. Continuous monitoring and data-driven decision-making help prevent stockouts and excess inventory situations. Embracing modern technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, Internet of Things, IoT, and blockchain can significantly enhance supply chain visibility and efficiency. Automated systems for order processing, warehouse management, and real-time tracking improve accuracy, reduce lead times, and enable proactive issue resolution. Cloud-based solutions further facilitate collaboration and data sharing among supply chain partners. Identifying and mitigating risks is crucial in today's globalized supply chains. Businesses should conduct comprehensive risk assessments to understand potential disruptions and develop contingency plans. Diversifying suppliers, mapping alternate logistics routes, and investing in insurance can help organizations navigate unforeseen challenges, ensuring a resilient supply chain. Sustainability is increasingly becoming a key consideration in supply chain management. Organizations are under pressure to adopt environmentally friendly practices, from sourcing raw materials responsibly to optimizing transportation routes for reduced carbon emissions. Implementing sustainable practices not only aligns with corporate social responsibility but also mitigates risks associated with changing regulations and consumer preferences. Collaboration among supply chain partners is essential for success. CPFR is a strategy that involves joint planning, forecasting, and replenishment efforts between suppliers and buyers. By sharing information and insights, organizations can better align their supply chain activities, reduce lead times, and respond more effectively to changes in demand. Adopting a culture of continuous improvement and lean principles helps organizations eliminate waste, enhance efficiency, and optimize processes. Regular performance evaluations, feedback loops, and the implementation of Six Sigma methodologies contribute to a more agile and responsive supply chain. Continuous improvement ensures that the supply chain remains adaptable to changing market dynamics. Harnessing the power of data analytics and business intelligence provides valuable insights for decision-making. Analyzing key performance indicators, KPIs, such as order fulfillment rates, on-time delivery, and inventory turnover, enables organizations to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Predictive analytics can also assist in anticipating future demand patterns and supply chain disruptions. A skilled and knowledgeable workforce is instrumental in executing effective supply chain management practices. Investing in training programs for employees, from supply chain planners to warehouse staff, ensures that the team is well equipped to handle evolving challenges. Cross-functional training and development programs foster collaboration and enhance the overall competence of the supply chain team. Adopting best practices for supply chain management is crucial for organizations aiming to thrive in today's competitive business landscape. From demand forecasting and supplier relationship management to technology integration and sustainability, each practice contributes to building a resilient and agile supply chain. Continuous improvement, data-driven decision-making, and talent development are essential elements that tie these practices together, enabling organizations to navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities. By embracing these best practices, businesses can optimize their supply chain processes, enhance customer satisfaction, and gain a competitive edge in the global market.